am going to do some, I think I'm going to do jumbo. I haven't decided if I was going to do jumbo or if I was going to do large. Knotless box braids. Not even sure how long they are going to be. They are going to be platinum blonde, so 613 is the hair that I'm going to be using, and I want to show you guys this. Now I am going to be using you guys can't see it, but the EZBRAID 613, and this is in 26 inch. And then I'm also going to be using the Xpression 2x brand as well. So I'm going to be using these two together because this has a yellowish tone to it, and then this is like white, like Snow White. So I combined the two. I customized the color, kind of, sort of. I mixed both of them together. So yeah, you guys will see what I'm talking about. But technically, I used 2 packs of the 613 for the EZBRAID mixture, and then I used 1 bundle, so basically a pack of this as well. So evenly distributed between the two. So 2 of the 613 EZBRAID and 1, because it's 2 bundles in here, of the 2x Xpression braiding hair. Okay, and this one is actually shorter, a little bit shorter than the EZBRAID, because that's 26 inches, and then this is 48 inches. I'm assuming that it's 48 across and not, you know, split in half, which, anyway. Real quick, you guys, lesson learned. Do not mix these 2 brands because I did not want them waist length. So the ends tapered off a little bit too thin for me coming from jumbo. It went exactly from thick to skinny thin, and I did not like that. So just do 1 brand, please. Other than that, everything is good. So when starting your knotless box braids, it is easy to, especially jumbo, to use a comb to part it evenly into 3 different subsections. And you want to make sure you're gripping the hair at the root tight and feed it in on both sides. Make sure that you're not using too much hair because you want it to be even. So now you see me pull my real hair just to make the roots tighter. This fixed poofy roots, or where it looks like, you know, your braids are old first day. To get that uniform consistency in your braid, you see how I braided, kept my hands the same way until I was able to pull the hair to the front so that you will have no ripples or no bumps. Also, you see how I use the jam and I put it on my real hair, and this is how you tuck. I'm covering my real hair with the blonde so that my ends are not coming out or frizzy. So now I'm able to wet my hair without my real hair coming out of the braid. This is so important. Even when I do braids that are the same color as my hair, I still tuck my hair so that my braids last a lot longer. Okay, here you guys will see how my braid starts off thick. Like, I like that consistency. I want that thickness. Well, I wanted that thickness all the way down, but I didn't feel like doing up my hair all day. But you'll see as I braid down how it goes from jumbo to super, super thin at the end, and I didn't like that. So if you don't want that, just make sure that you use the same brand that is all the same length. Okay, y'all, so this is where I'm going to show y'all how much I struggled trying to get these parts as straight as possible. I am so particular about parting, so yes, take your time on your parts. Like I said, I am stickler for nice, neat parts. So this is what I go through, y'all. I was so hot and I wanted to get it right, and I really needed my hair done. So sis was making it happen. I made it happen though. Definitely did. But yeah, so you guys also see that I have a mirror in front of me and a mirror behind me. This is my setup. So this helps me to see in front of my hair and the back of my hair. So yeah. And y'all can see how I've started this same braid over and over again until I got it right. So I don't always get it right on the first try either, but I like to be very, very neat about what I do. So take it out as much as you want. I get red so easily. Like, y'all can see how my scalp is like bloodshot red. I was trying my hardest to get this braid right, but I did. So that's all that matters. But yeah, you guys, just make sure that we are tucking our hair so that you can wear your protective style as long as you want. And you see, I am applying the jam, doing my subsections, 3 subsections, gripping it right, adding on both sides. I use 3 pieces for each braid. So yeah, I think it was easier to braid the back of my head rather than the sides and top of my head. I thought it would have been the opposite, but hey. You learn. Also, when I braid, I love to do the bricklay pattern so that the braids, you know, kind of fall in front of your parts or down the parts so that it doesn't look too spacey or too gappy. So yeah, once I turn around, you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, just always make sure to do the bricklay pattern. To me, it just looks better. You see, it just looks a lot better. So I try to do that all the time. My hair is detangled, so that's why I'm using a small rat tail comb to further detangle. It's blown out really well, so I was not breaking my hair off, if anybody was wondering. And if not, just letting you know. You know. If y'all have made it to the end of this video, I want to thank y'all so very much for watching. I want to really know what you guys think, so make sure you let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys would ever try to do knotless braids on your own. Yeah, I have to go find another towel because I am dripping, but I definitely like it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you guys come back so that you guys can see another video. Let me know what you guys like to see below. Bye.